Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you will find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So it's free, you can join. Check out the brokers in the profile right here. So you can sign up with the brokers as per your country. Because I want you to start demo accounts. If not real, then go for demo accounts, sign up with these brokers, because I want you to trade my signals in a separate new account. I don't want you to trade with my signals in your existing account. I don't want you to mix up. Okay, I want to see the accuracy of my signals and other people you follow. Okay, so if you want to start trading with my signals, it's a better idea to sign up with a new account and keep it separate to know how much profit or loss you make with my signals. Okay, my signals will come in the Telegram in the coming future, so make sure you join Telegram, subscribe, like, it's all free. And now coming back to the Euro USD, quite popular pair, most popular pair actually. So we are in the uptrend in daily. So let's do the top down approach for this Tuesday. Starting with weekly time frame. Weekly we are up. We took the pullback last 1 month. We had been going down last 1 month. Okay, and then we took a pullback, and then I think in my previous videos, like previously on Vampire Diaries, right? So previously in Euro USD videos, I had told you that this is gonna touch to 1500. Right now we are at 1347. I have very strong feeling that we will touch to 1500 once again. Okay, more confirmation coming from daily chart. Daily chart is again, those people, some people, some millionaires, billionaires had been telling you since last 10 days euro is gonna go down, and yeah, it's gonna go down eventually. It's gonna come down, take a pullback, and then it will go up. I have my reasons to believe that, because if you watch my previous Euro USD video from I think Saturday or Sunday, I recorded the video. Okay, I told you on Monday onwards we will go down. Go and watch my previous Euro USD video and then comment below what did I say in that video and if that is really happening today or not. Okay, I told you on Saturday itself that from Monday onwards euro is gonna go down. That's fucking exactly what is happening today. In that video on Saturday, I did not tell you on purpose why am I saying it's gonna go down, because I can see right now in daily why it was supposed to go down. Okay, I also said in the previous video Euro USD that this going down will be a pullback. Okay, so it might come here, reject the EMA, and then go up. Okay, so I think because this previous high is broken, so we might go for this high or maybe this high. So I'm expecting that we might go for this high. Okay, but that will happen after a few days, or it might never happen. So we'll have to keep an eye on intraday traders. Let's see what's going to happen in 4 hour. In 4 hour, actually what in Euro USD currently I am in the sell position anyway. Okay, I took the sell when I was at 1382. Okay, so when the price was 1382, that's where I entered selling Euro USD. That trade is for me still running, and I'm expecting this 4 hour candle to come to this EMA and reject it. So my take profit is around 1311. Okay, so we will see. I have already made a profit of 40 bucks, 40 pips, sorry. So my profits are already in 40 pips. Okay, from 1382, from 1340 currently, and I'm expecting this to touch down this EMA and then reject it, and then we will have a confirmation blue candle, and then we'll continue the uptrend. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so I'm doing the counter trading right now, and there's no way I'm gonna lose this trade because I'm using so this is thing called trailing stop loss. Yeah, so I'm trailing my stop loss as well, so there's no way I'm gonna lose this trade. Okay, so I'm in the profits, I'm trailing my stop loss. I'm expecting this euro to go until this EMA, come near here, and then I will close my profits. And when should you enter? For you should enter long after this candle is has rejected the EMA, and then wait for the next blue confirmation candle to eat this previous red candle, and then only enter long. Okay, don't enter short until this low is broken. If you want to go short, which you should not, but if this low is broken by coming red candles, then you may look for sell after each pullback. But as of now, I think we will reject the EMA. That's where I will take my profits. And then we will probably have a next blue confirmation candle which will eat the previous red candle, and then you can enter long. Okay, but we have to wait for that. It could be 12 hours from here on. And if you did not know when to enter, because I told you I entered at 1382 because I told you on Saturday that we're gonna go down. You didn't listen to me, okay? Anyways, if you like what you see, subscribe, share the video, blah blah blah, and make sure you are into my Telegram if you want some solid signals. Okay, for now it's free. Free doesn't mean it's not valuable. Okay, when when you're with me, when you're working with me, if I say something free, that doesn't mean it's not valuable. What I'm giving you for free were the thousands and thousands of dollars. Nobody does this breakdown. Nobody does this analysis for free until you don't pay them thousands of dollars. So what you are getting for free, appreciate it first, okay? And then join Telegram, check out the brokers. Make sure you trade with my signals in a separate account, okay? So go and join this big broker, subscribe, like, do all that. I can talk all day, but maybe in the next video. Till then, have a good one.